And if you use eye drops, before you pick up that bottle, check the label. Two companies, Pharmedica and Apotex, are recalling certain brands of eye drops. They're worried about how sterile these eye drops are. This recall does not list any specific illnesses or injuries coming from these products, but it does say using contaminated eye drops can cause infections that could result in blindness or even death. This is the latest in a string of eye drop recalls. Last month, the CDC issued a warning. It said, stop using Care artificial tears because of a possible link to a drug-resistant bacterial infection. Now, as of right now, we have no reason to believe these two latest recalls are connected to last month's recall.
There was a recall alert that was issued for these specific drops. We met this grandmother at her home in Miramar. She was telling me her life has just changed forever.
Siempre fui independiente. Siempre trabajé.
Clara Oliva says she's always been independent. She's always worked, but her life has now been flipped upside down.
Ha cambiado 1000%. 1000%.
This mother and grandmother is adjusting after a bacterial infection completely took her right eye. In May, she started using Care artificial tears, and in a very short 4 months, an infection left her blind.
Initially, her eye became red and inflamed, and she actually documented it with pictures. Infection was spreading to the point that it got to her cornea.
Her attorney says she sought treatment from the beginning, moving to Bascom Palmer Eye Institute for more advanced help when it wasn't getting better. While all of this was happening, the CDC was investigating many complaints about those drops, leading to warnings and eventually a recall by the drug maker Global Pharma.
She was actually getting the treatment with antibiotics while still using the drops, got her eye removed, was still using the drops once they put the prosthetic in. And it was only in January when she was first alerted.
The CDC found that it was contaminated with this extremely drug-resistant pathogen.
The CDC linking the eye drops to infections across the country. Doctors removed Oliva's eye, leaving her self-conscious with a prosthetic in order to save her other eye, which had poor vision to begin with.
The concern is getting the word out to make sure that people who have this product in their possession at this point in time are not going to continue using it.